I'm Harriet Rose, and this is my song White Chair, and this is my Sound Factory live session. You can pack all your things in the back of your car. You believe that tomorrow will never look back. You never had somewhere you proudly called home. Know this feeling inside, I wouldn't expect you to know. Sunlight or shadows of the moon. Every tear that I've cried, every night that I've sworn, every laughter this road off my tongue isn't written in stone, but it's held in the walls of this home. Know this feeling inside, I wouldn't expect you to know. Needs and a life you desire. Now every room I walk into, every wall that I talk to is sorry, talks alright. But I wouldn't expect you to understand. No, I wouldn't expect you to understand. Sure, the walls are all mountain, the carpet's all torn, but I tread millions of miles just to call this my home. And the shell that you'll purchase with money you have pawned will be nothing but a place of lost souls, and the cracks will lay still with the stories that we should have told. Know this feeling inside, I wouldn't expect you to know. For you made me leave and say goodbye. For your selfish needs and a life you desire. Now every room I walk into, every wall that I talk to, story talks all night. But I wouldn't expect you to understand that. No, I wouldn't expect you to understand. Yeah, we lived and we died here, the ghosts sail on. The white chair in the sunlight holds shadows of my moon. Every tear that I've cried, every night that I've sworn, every laughter that's rolled off my tongue isn't written in stone, but it's held in the walls of my home. Know this feeling inside, I wouldn't expect you to know. Know this feeling inside, I wouldn't expect you to know.